Lauren, Sacramento, California, listening on KSFO. Go.
Thank you, Mr. Levin, for taking my call.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, I called my congressman, and they are still funding the Obamacare. And I was wondering what we can do as citizens, patriot citizens, to call them on this, because I was listening to your show, I forgot what day it was, about 18 Section 641, about since it's unconstitutional that funding this bill is committing a felony, and I want to know what can we do as citizens?
We can't do anything. You don't have any standing if you weren't part of that lawsuit. And so that's why I go on this program every damn evening, and I tell the state governors and attorneys general who've been involved in this litigation, you need to go back in front of this judge. You need to let this judge know what's going on just by Gibbs's own comments. You need to move the court, because the court can't move itself. You need to move the court to act on a motion for contempt against the Obama administration. There's no question. This is day 9 of their unconstitutional implementation of Obamacare. They've made it quite clear publicly that they have no intention of complying with this judge. And so we as citizens can't do a damn thing. But there's no reason why these states and governors... I'll give you an example. The Attorney General of Florida. What's her name again, Rich? I don't remember. Bondi? The new Attorney General of Florida. She can go right into federal court right now. Why not? Or any of the rest of them. Go back to this judge and make the point. That's what they can do, Lauren.
Aren't they doing it, Mr. Levin?
I have no idea. I'm not a mind reader.
Thank you, Mr. Levin.
All right, buddy. Take care. I'm as frustrated as everybody else. Bondi, I'm sorry, is her name. Attorney General of Florida. Pam Bondi. People should contact her office and say, Attorney General Pam Bondi, please go back in front of this judge, Judge Vinson, take the news clips, the video of administration spokespeople saying that they're going to continue to proceed implementing this statute, and ask the court to hold them in contempt. The court can do it on the spot, or the court can conduct a hearing. And as I've pointed out before, notice that Obama and his Justice Department have not gone to the circuit court and have not sought a stay of the judge's order. Why? Well, why should they seek a stay when nobody's bothering them to stop what they're doing? And they're moving at breakneck speed to implement as much of this law as they can through the bureaucracy, through regulations, before they're stopped. You know, it's not enough to cheer a court victory. Yay, we won. Okay, now get it enforced. 26 states. Do something about it. Attorney General Bondi, do something about it. Go back to court. Take Gibbs's comment the other day. We had audio of it, right, Mr. Producer? We played it. We're going to continue to go ahead and implement. There's 2 other judges who say, try that one on Judge Vinson and see what he says. The American people will root you on. You have a victory. Now go enforce your victory. Go enforce the judge's ruling. Go back to the judge. Show the judge what the government's doing, how they're defying him openly, and get your order. Then you watch how fast this administration runs to the circuit court with a stay order. That's what needs to be done. If your governor and or attorney general were involved in this case, contact them and ask them, why aren't you doing something? That's how you do it. Why aren't they doing it, Mark? I have no idea. But they need to do it, because only they can get this enforced. We as citizens cannot. They had the guts to take the initial action. Now they need to follow through. It is not enough to have a court victory if the victory is not enforced. I don't understand it. Day 9 of this unconstitutional implementation of Obamacare. And I pointed out, yes, it is a felony to misappropriate program funds like this when a judge has ruled that the law is void. There's no legal authority for them to be meeting, putting out regulations, buying pencils and paper clips or anything else to staff these offices or to proceed with this statute. And if the Secretary of HHS is ordering her underlings to do it, they must defy her. But we have a lawless situation here right now, ladies and gentlemen. It's fine for me to say that this is a misappropriation of these funds. But if the executive branch isn't going to enforce it, if the executive branch isn't going to uphold the law, I can't uphold it, neither can you. It's the definition of lawlessness. That's what we have.